Hi mathematicians! Today we're going to be talking about strip diagrams and using them for comparing. So again, like usual, please make sure you have a math notebook, a piece of paper that you keep in your folder, whatever it is that you use, and a pencil so you can take notes, write down questions that you might have to ask during small group or tutoring. Let's get started. So here I have two girls. Rashida has $20 and Emily has a $20 bill and a $5 bill. What do you notice about the picture? If you want to write them down or just say them in your head, either is fine. So there are three bills. Rashida has $20 and Emily has $25. Emily has more money than Rashida. So what math questions can you ask about the image that you just saw? Let me go back. So what math questions can you ask about these amounts that you see? Again, if you want to write them down, you can. If not, in your head is fine. So some ideas are how much more money does Emily have than Rashida? How much money do the girls have all together? Keep in mind you don't have to answer these, but how much less money does Rashida have than Emily? And if a toy costs $50, do they have enough money to buy it? If they pool their money. So if they put their money together, do they have enough money to buy the $50 toy? So like I said, we were going to be using strip diagrams to compare. So looking at this strip diagram, how does it relate to the image that you saw with the dollar bills? What is the same? What are some similarities and what are some differences? So the bills are now being replaced by bars. Rashida's $20 bill is here, Emily's $20 bill is here, and then her $5 bill. The amounts are the same as looking at the picture with the bills. The bills were all the same size, but the 5 is smaller than the $20 bill. And if you noticed, there is a question mark on this image, but not in the first. So take a look at this question mark and think about what that might represent. What question are they asking? What I want you to do on your notebook is write down what you think that question mark means, bring it to small group, and we're going to review it together. Good luck, mathematicians.